almost dropped it. Out here at Bonnie Springs Park in Las Vegas, Nevada, just outside the city, to find a place to fly. Second time in Vegas this year. First time I didn't really get to fly very close to the mountains because we were really far away. I didn't know that you were allowed to fly. So this time out here in the mountains, ended up renting a car. What? Ended up renting a car to come out here and drive and fly. If you've never used Turo, I would highly suggest doing it because you can get a really cheap car that's actually really nice. So we're gonna do some little flying here around this mountain ledge here, just outside of Red Rock Canyon. Vlogging on the Osmo Pocket, so if the audio is bad this time, it is because I'm using the Osmo. Last time I was here, I was using the Mavic 2 Zoom. This time we have the Mavic 2 Pro. Yeah, so let's see what we can get. We're gonna film in D-Log M so we can get all the vibrancy, all the colors out of this. Should be pretty awesome. Also brought the smart controller this time, and it's been pretty good. Haven't had any problems with issues with distance. People have said that you don't get much of the distance. I haven't really had that problem, but it is hard to tell how close you are to the mountains because they're so big. But all right, I'm gonna get flying. Alrighty guys, that's gonna do it for this vlog, my Vegas trip 2.0. This was just a leisurely trip. We're celebrating our 15 years. Yay. But that's gonna do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a little bit short, really didn't have a lot to do. I'm filming on the Osmo Pocket again. This thing is actually better after the update. If you guys want to see me do a new review of this, like a follow-up after all these updates and improvements, go ahead and smash that like button, comment down below, and I'll definitely go ahead and do that. But that's going to do it for this video. If you haven't already, also make sure you subscribe to the Overcast podcast channel, and you can find us on Stitcher, Spotify, and I think we have it on Apple Podcasts now. So we're like everywhere. The overcastpodcast.com will give you all that information, so be sure to subscribe to that, as Billy and I are really trying to build that up. Well, that's going to do it. I will see you later. Stay original.